So this is not what you want, and this is true. We talk about a good example of this is in value stream mapping. We want to reduce lead time. But in a certain department, there's a manager that's highly rewarded for efficiency. So if I'm highly rewarded for efficiency, and that's the only thing that really matters, do I change over my equipment frequently? No, because if I change over frequently, my efficiency drops, right? Because I'm losing time on the equipment. So my efficiency suffers. So the only thing I'm being measured on is impacted negatively by doing the very thing we're trying to do as a company, reduce lead time. So all these goals are inconsistent, and there's actually people working against the vision of the company if they even have one defined. So everything must be aligned to be efficient. So we include the entire organization for aligning the work and the vision of the company to benefit the knowledge and agreement of the whole organization. Hoshin aligns strategies and drives execution to achieve breakthrough results. Sounds kind of like Kakaku a little bit, little bit of that. So we want this versus this. Now that seems ridiculous. I put a picture up here and you go, okay, everybody rowing in the same direction. I get it, but I'm telling you this is very, very real. Because if the goals are not aligned, if they're not set up, if they're not focused on who we want to be in 3 to 5 years, it's just pure randomness throughout the organization. People are setting goals in a vacuum in one department, and another area is setting goals in another department in a vacuum, and accounting has different goals. All the organizations are operating as separate islands, setting their goals, and they're very inconsistent with each other. And they're literally working against each other in many cases, or at some level they're working against each other.
Good example. We were working with one of the Navy yards on lean shipbuilding yards, and the Navy decided they would set up some goals to improve the integration of lean concepts into what they were doing. They put a goal out there of the number of Kaizen events they would like to have per year. So guess what they got? Would they get improvement or Kaizen events?
They got a lot of garbage ideas.
They got a lot of Kaizen events that didn't do anything, but they achieved their goals. They set a goal for the number of events. Then they learned, well, maybe we need to achieve production goals, and rather than just holding events. So everybody was having events, nothing got done. Your goal that he's talking about that's aligned with what you're trying to accomplish is very important.
And so if you know we want to be this great company by this point because we want to achieve these great things, no one's going to accept a goal that isn't consistent with that. And everybody's going to understand what it is. So Ambrosio, I forgot one thing with the continuous improvement, the way they motivated people with that. They actually said, yeah, we could probably give them some kind of payment for cutting the corner off of a table. See how stupid it gets silly. And then I said, well, you know what's going to happen if you start doing that? You're going to get all kinds of silly ideas you can't relate to anything because they're going to get paid for it. They're going to tell you everything they can think of. So this pay problem is not going to work for you. Bad way to set it up.